Hello everyone, myself Ravikumar. Let us today start with the new program, that is J3 data interchange program. For example, I will take 5 data bytes both in DS and ES, and I will interchange between DS to ES. So what that is from data segment to extra segment. So what is the main program? What we will do in this program is we will take data in data segment and extra segment, both the segment. In both the segment we will be taking data and we'll interchanging the data, that is from DS to ES, from ES to DS. So that is the main program we are writing. How we, by taking program, how we can change the data, whatever the given data is given in data segment and extra segment, and how we will interchange it. So here DS is the data segment, ES is the extra segment. So that is the main thing in the program we should use in this program, extra segment. So main instructions in the program we should use also, that is as usual, that is common instruction, that is move only. So that move instruction only we will use in different manner, that we will move that data from data segment to extra, from extra to data, that is by source to destination, by like that, by using load effective addresses. So that is main thing. Then so only we have to move DS data to ES and ES to DS. So this is only the main part of the program. What we will do, I will tell in the program. So this is all about funda of the program. So this is all about funda of the program. So now let us start execute the program or run the program in DOS box. So first I will type edit space, this is J3. I will give file name already as j3.asm. So click on enter. So you can see here the program, that is to interchange data bit, data and extra segment. So data between data and extra segment. So I already written this program. I wrote this program. I already wrote. So let us discuss this program. So data segment as usual. So ORG0H, I am transferring or not transferring, I am interchanging from Kalburgi to Paris. So Paris to Kalburgi, Kalburgi to Paris, I am interchanging the data. So Kalburgi data byte, that is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 5 data bytes I am interchanging. So data ends here. So then start with the extra segment, ORG0H, Paris DB, 91H, 92H, 93H, 94 and 95H. This is the data in extra segment. I have to move in data segment, and this data will be moved in extra segment. This is the main intention of this program. So then start with the code segment. This is all already. All these are fixed, that is assume CS as code, DS as data, and one extra thing is that is DES as extra. For extra segment we are using, so for that reason we have to use ES as extra. Then main move x comma da data, then move ds comma x. These are main line where whenever you are using data segment. Along with that, again move x comma extra and move es comma x, because we are, whenever we use extra segment in this program, in any program, we should use these two lines, this and this. Then initialize count. So we have to initialize the count. Move cl comma 0ah, that means 10h, because we are interchanging 10 data bytes, means not 10 data bytes, these 5 means after interchanging it will become 10 data bytes. Total 10 data bytes you are giving, that is in 5 in data segment and 5 in extra segment. So therefore initialize count. Then afterward initialize pointer, that is LEASI is the Kalburgi, that is data segment, and extra segment, that is LEADI is the Paris. So destination. Then go back. So now forget about go back. I will come to that point afterwards, so that you can explain, you can understand. So move AL comma Versailles. What it means? So in SI I having these these data, that is Kalburgi, that is 10 20 30 40H SI. So I'm moving one data of SI to AL. So keep in mind, I am moving one data of Kalburgi from one register AL, 8-bit register. Then what I will do, again that AL register is moved to DI. So destination in extra segment. So therefore AL is moved to DI. So one data is moved from source to destination. So that lines are indicated by this and third, first and third in this go back line. So then next what I have to do is I have to move extra segment data, that is DI ES colon DI means extra segment. In extra segment we are having data that I have to move to BL first, after BL to SI. So I have interchanged the data. One data I have interchanged from both the segments, data segment I have interchanged one data. So to interchange all the data, what I will do is, so simply I will do increment SI. So second data will be moved, third, sixth, third, fourth, fifth, like that, and increment DI and decrement count. So up to the up to what count? Up to count becomes 0. It should continue same like that. First data will move, second data will move, third data will move. Interchange, not move, interchange by one, as we can set the procedure like this in the program. So what we did, so then decrement CL, so then count will become 0, J and Z go back. So count, till count becomes 0, it will again go back, continue this process. When count will become 0, it will end the program. So if jump 0, so J and Z, if non-zero it will go, if 0 it will directly come to this line, that is move H comma force H in 21H code and send me. This is end of program. So this is the program. I will execute and I will show you, or I will run that. I will show you how you get the result. Okay, how you practically get the result. So masm J3 dot ASM semicolon. So click on enter. So I am having 0 errors. So then click link space J3 dot obj semicolon. Click on enter again. So then debug step, debug J3 dot exe, click on enter. You get a slash, type U for unassemble. Then after typing U, you have to find out for move H comma force address line. Again type U, because you are not getting, not at all getting that move H comma force line. So it is still you have to get. So after that you have to type G command. I think you are getting move H comma force line. The offset address is G is equal to 0 space offset address is 24. Click on enter. So the you have to see the data in data segment first and interchange data. Okay, D space DS colon 0, click on enter. You can see that. So in the first row you are having data D space ES colon 0. Okay, so this is the interchange data. So what you can see is, so in the data segment 0H you are having, you suppose you are having that 10 20 30. In extra segment 0 you are having 91 92. That has been interchanged. So this is all program. Thank you.